Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Today we will troubleshoot DTC P0087, which indicates that the fuel rail pressure is too low in the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. This error is significant because low fuel pressure can lead to engine performance issues and may cause stalling. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which is the vehicle's brain, monitors the fuel pressure in the rail. If it detects that the actual fuel rail pressure falls below the desired target level, it will log this error code. Understanding this DTC helps focus our diagnostics on the fuel delivery system while ensuring that we inspect all related components. This guide will outline the error description, potential causes, symptoms, and a systematic approach to troubleshooting this issue effectively. DTC P0087 signals a problem with the fuel delivery system, specifically a low pressure reading in the fuel rail. Key components involved include the fuel rail pressure sensor, which monitors the pressure within the fuel rail and sends signals to the PCM. If this sensor fails, it inaccurately reports fuel pressure levels, leading to the DTC being set. The high-pressure fuel pump is another critical component that generates necessary fuel pressure. It is typically located near the engine, integrated into the fuel system. Any issues with this pump, such as damage or wear, can contribute to low fuel pressure. Additionally, the fuel injectors, which deliver fuel into the combustion chamber, must operate optimally. If they malfunction, they can affect fuel rail pressure as well. Thus, a comprehensive inspection of these components is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Several factors might lead to DTC P0087 being triggered. First, a fuel leak can directly result in insufficient pressure in the fuel rail, as any loss of fuel will disrupt the system's ability to maintain pressure. If a fuel leak is confirmed, it must be repaired before any further diagnostics can proceed. Next, a malfunctioning fuel pressure regulator could impair the system's ability to maintain correct pressure, affecting engine performance. The high-pressure fuel pump is also a potential failure point. If it is damaged or worn out, it won't produce the necessary fuel pressure. Finally, a failing fuel rail pressure sensor could send incorrect readings to the PCM. This makes it essential to inspect both the sensor and the supporting components. Thoroughly assessing these possibilities can help diagnose and rectify the underlying issue causing the DTC. When DTC P0087 is present, several symptoms may manifest. One common indicator is engine stalling, as low fuel pressure fails to provide adequate fuel for combustion. This could leave drivers with unpredictable vehicle behavior, especially during acceleration. Another symptom is reduced engine power, making it challenging to achieve desired speeds. This can significantly impact drivability, especially during merging or overtaking maneuvers. Additionally, the engine might experience misfires, where the combustion cycle doesn't occur as intended. Misfires can lead to rough engine operation and increased emissions. Recognizing these symptoms early can guide technicians toward a timely diagnosis and repair, preventing further engine complications. For the first troubleshooting step regarding DTC P0087, we begin by starting the engine and holding it at 3,000 RPM without any load, which means the vehicle should be in park or neutral to ensure safe testing conditions. This step is critical as it places the fuel system under operational conditions that simulate regular driving scenarios. Once stabilized, the next task is to conduct the HDS, or Honda Diagnostic System, fuel pressure test. This test will provide real-time data regarding fuel pressure levels in the rail. If the results show that the fuel pressure is not within acceptable parameters, it indicates that the system is failing to maintain proper fuel pressure, confirming a potential issue that needs investigation. Step 2 involves test driving the vehicle for several minutes within a specified range. During this time, technical staff must monitor various key parameters, such as engine speed, vehicle speed, and signals from the manifold absolute pressure (MAP) sensor, throttle position (TP sensor), accelerator pedal position (APP sensor), engine coolant temperature (ECT sensor), intake air temperature (IAT sensor), and both fuel pressures converted from the fuel pressure sensor and direct injection system. These readings provide insights into how the vehicle is performing under load. It also allows technicians to correlate real-world data with recorded parameters from the onboard snapshot captured earlier. By ensuring that these conditions align, technicians can further isolate the root cause of the low fuel pressure and address it effectively. In this third troubleshooting step, attention turns to the PGM-FI main relay, which plays a vital role in powering the engine's fuel management system. Begin by disconnecting the relay and verifying its functionality as per Honda's guidelines. Following this, inspect the fuel rail pressure sensor by testing its output signals to confirm they correspond with actual fuel pressure readings. If discrepancies arise, it points towards a possible sensor malfunction. Further, it's essential to conduct a comprehensive inspection of fuel system components, including fuel lines and injectors, ensuring there are no leaks, blockages, or defects hindering performance. This examination is critical to maintain efficiency in the fuel delivery network, directly impacting the engine's performance. The fourth step directs focus onto the high-pressure fuel pump. Perform a direct inspection to assess whether the pump is functioning correctly. It's crucial to ensure that the fuel output is at the necessary pressure levels and that the pump itself is free from physical damage or obstructions. A high-pressure fuel pump typically works in conjunction with the camshaft, which can affect performance if worn. Hence, inspecting the high-pressure fuel pump cam for signs of wear, damage, or deformation is critical at this juncture. Address any irregularities promptly, as these can significantly impact fuel delivery performance and lead to ongoing pressure issues. Obtaining normal operation from the fuel pump is essential for rectifying the DTC P0087. Upon completing the troubleshooting process, it is vital to conduct a final repair verification. Start by confirming that the vehicle operates correctly after addressing any identified issues. This will involve clearing the DTC from the PCM, ensuring that the fault memory does not indicate the previous problem. Subsequently, perform a test drive, monitoring engine performance and ensuring that power delivery is smooth and consistent. Pay close attention to fuel pressure levels during this phase. If the conditions return to normal, it suggests successful repairs and indicates that the DTC has been resolved. This step is crucial to verify that the repairs made have effectively addressed the root cause of the fuel rail pressure issue. Engaging in preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering DTC P0087 in the future. Regular checks of the vehicle's fuel system ensure that all components, including the fuel pump, pressure sensors, and injectors, are functioning optimally. Additionally, frequent inspections can help identify early signs of wear or leakage, allowing for timely repairs before they escalate. It is also essential to maintain adequate fuel levels in the tank to prevent the engine from stalling and triggering faults. Consistency in proper fueling, along with proactive maintenance, can enhance both vehicle reliability and performance, ensuring long-term satisfaction. In conclusion, DTC P0087 represents an important fault condition that can impede the performance of the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. Through meticulous identification of key components, such as the fuel rail pressure sensor, high-pressure fuel pump, and relevant fuel lines, technicians can gather critical insights into systems requiring attention. Adhering to a systematic approach in troubleshooting ensures that no potential issues are overlooked. Conducting thorough inspections and necessary tests will help identify the root causes of low fuel rail pressure, allowing for effective resolution of the problem. Ultimately, by applying these diagnostic principles, we can ensure that the vehicle runs smoothly and maintains optimal performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.